Hi, I'm Jamie, and I'm here today with Heather Renault, the Director of Admissions here at Siena College. I'm a student ambassador, and one part of my job is to interact with prospective students and their families. And a lot of the families ask me about the interview process we offer here at Siena. Why do you think that a prospective student should interview here at Siena?
There are many ways to visit Siena, and I actually think that doing an interview is the best way to visit because it allows a one-on-one interaction so all the needs of the prospective students are met. During an interview at Siena, we actually sit with the prospective student for about 20 minutes, and then we invite the parents to join us as well. We want to make sure all the questions are answered. During the interview, we obviously get to know the student a little better, and we get beyond the SAT scores and the grades, and we get to put a little personality to the application. At the same time, we meet with the parents because this is a big family decision they're about to make.
Are interviews required here at Siena?
They're not required, but we do highly recommend them. Again, it puts a little personality to the application. When we're flipping through an application, we see transcripts and what classes people are taking, grades and SAT scores. By meeting someone face to face, we really get to put a face to that application and really get to know the student better.
Right. Well, I know that when I was in high school, the thought of having an interview with an admissions counselor sounded kind of scary. So what advice would you give to a prospective student that might be a little nervous about coming in for an interview?
Usually once you come into our office and start meeting our admissions counselors, people are put at ease right away. All of our admissions counselors actually graduated from Siena, and they just want to talk to you about what the students' interests are and find out how we are a good match together. I like to think of it like a first date. We want to get to know you a little bit better, and the student wants to get to know Siena a little bit better to see if we should continue.
And how do you go about scheduling an interview here?
It is very easy. We actually have interviews Monday through Friday on the hour, and all you have to do is dial 1-888 at Siena. You'll talk to Marianne or Sue and schedule your interview and tour.
Great. Well, thank you very much, Heather, and I hope that you schedule an interview today.
See you soon. Harder, come for an interview.